Hey guys, I am deciding to do a fluffy slime collection. So I have all my fluffy slimes over here. They're all right here. And so I'm going to show them to you. See, those are just my slimes. And then here's my fluffy slimes. Okay, and I'll tell you their names. Oops, I forgot a fluffy slime. What's this one? So this first fluffy slime is this velvet. I'm going to call it velvet cake icing. Velvet cake icing. Or like violet cake icing. There. Violet cake. Violet? I don't know. I think I'm just going to call it like a violet or like violet icing. Violet batter. Violet batter. Violet batter. That's what I'm going to call it. Now I'm going to poke it. But yeah. And you guys see how they break? I'm going to add some lotion to them later. So then they'll be like nice and soft, fluffy. Which it is fluffy right now. I already have the slime. So, pretty cool. I'm like all my fluffy slimes. I don't know why they could have just open, but that's okay, because I know my mom's here. Okay, the next one is a pink slime. Some of them are in bags, some of them are in containers and crap. But after this, I'm going to get a new container for my white slimes. So here's the next one. You see it? It's like a pink slime. Yeah, it's a pink slime. I'm going to call it Pink Hibiscus. My pink slime is now called Pink Hibiscus. I like it. Pink Hibiscus. You know, that's from Hawaiian. And Halia Beamer? Is that her name? I follow her on Musical.ly. Go follow me on Musical.ly. Put that in the description below. Actually, guys, yeah, she does have a Musical.ly. She has really good ones. And, guys, if you didn't know, she's 11. Just letting you know that. Okay. The next slime. Do I have enough room? Okay. I'm gonna throw this slime away. Stupid slime. I don't like that slime, by the way. That's why I threw it away. Because I'm gonna put pink hibiscus in it. And it kind of smells bad right now. So, I don't know. But I'm gonna get all the extras out of it. Okay. No. Okay. There we go. There's the pink hibiscus. Next one is a blue slime. A lot of these are in bags, by the way. It's a blue slime in a blue bag. See it? Yeah. Okay, so this slime is called Summer Day because, you know, when you're in summer, a lot of people like going to the pool. And so right now, you might go into the pool. Gotta just go to the pool and have a summer day. And yeah. I'll be doing my white slimes last. Because I have two favorite white slimes. First, second. And they both have different names. And one's one that, the purple one is the one my friend gave me. And yeah. So yeah, there you go. That's the blue one. Next one is going to be one of my white slimes, which I call it Snow Angel. It smells really good. Here's Snow Angel. That's Snow Angel. Next slime, plural. Should I do these first? I don't know if I want to do these first because this one has blue dye in it. And it's going to get my hand blue. My hands, I don't want them to get blue, so I'm going to be very, very careful. Right now, I'm going to turn the board over to the sparkly side. So there's this one. And I made it. But I don't know about this one, if it has dye in it either. But yeah. So that's this one. And then the gold slime. That's that slime. Now, last but not least, for my fluffy slime, I call it the Cool Whip. I used to have a container and it was empty, and then I didn't know I was going to make a white slime. And I was like, crap, probably need to do that someday. So I did, and I didn't save the container. I'll poke it. I hope you can see it. So that's Cool Whip. It kind of stretchy. Okay, so it literally looks like Cool Whip. And yeah, that's why I love it so much, is because it looks like Cool Whip. Okay. Those are all my fluffy slime. And yeah, this is lighter. Okay, so these are about the same amount of slime. Except this is like in a bigger container, so it looks whiter. But this is lighter than this. so much shaving cream and borax having to do with this slime. I don't know. But, yeah, guys. That's it for my slime collection. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!